Let's move on to other stories now. Nigeria says its effort at increasing access to energy has paid off with the Nigerian Energy Support Programme and European Union and German government-funded projects to provide clean and sustainable energy. The Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Power announced this at the launch of the third phase of the project in Abuja, that's in the Federal Capital Territory here in Nigeria. Our correspondent, Moya Thomas, has the story.
Nigeria's effort at increasing access to clean energy with support from the German government and the European Union started in 2013. The Phase 1 and 2 of the project focused on energy efficiency, provision of isolated mini-grid in select states, capacity building, among several others. This third phase, according to organizers, is set to attract more investment in renewable energy, with targets to provide 30,000 clean sources of cooking and 154,000 people to have new access to electricity.
Today in Nigeria are about close to 200 mini-grids across the country, and the private sector is well engaged and the public sector as well. So in this third phase, we want to deliver more projects and also support more pipelines of projects that will lead to access to electricity and the implementation of the energy transition plan in Nigeria.
As we launch NESP 3 today, our focus will intensify on meeting challenges we face in energy accessibility, affordability, and sustainability.
Some 10 years ago, that we're marking also with this launch, the program has continued to support the Nigerian government in the development of policies and regulations, capacity building of the sector, data for planning, standards, access to finance and investments, and many other activities.
Main pillars of European and German cooperation with Nigeria, because we all know about the state of the electricity supply in Nigeria and how urgent the implementation of this program is in order to bring things forward and to cooperate with the Nigerian government, especially the agenda of the President, in order to bring renewed hope to the country, especially in the form of more electricity.
The EU also says it recently commissioned an additional 9 million euros for this phase, which increased the total budget of the project to 17.9 million euros. This third phase of the project also promises sustainable energy for rural communities to help in the development of the health sector, businesses, and other vital sectors. Moya Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.